Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Phantom Wallet on iPhone. Phantom Wallet is a popular crypto wallet used for managing digital assets, especially on the Solana blockchain. It allows you to store, send, receive and swap cryptocurrencies securely. If you're using an iPhone, installing Phantom Wallet is quick and straightforward through the official App Store. So first, on your iPhone, open any of the App Store there, and this is the official page to download, save and verified app. On the bottom there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down Phantom Wallet and search for it, and you need to look for the official app published by the Phantom Technologies. Here just beside it we can find there's an option for the Phantom Trade Markets. Here tap on the get beside it and you can simply double click to install it, and you can confirm it with your Face ID, Touch ID and your Apple ID password. Wait for the app to install on your iPhone, and after that you can start using a Phantom Wallet, receive your crypto, copy your wallet address, send crypto, swap tokens, connect to decentralized app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.